Sit upright, hold on tight, get ready to race side by side on the rising tide.
Hey guys, Spencer here with AttractionSpot, riding on Tidal Twister here at SeaWorld San Diego. It's a figure 8 coaster going about 30 miles an hour, and there's a 0G roll, so we are going on this thing right now. Here we go. Super excited for this. Alright, there it goes. Now we're gonna go forward again. Gotta kind of get some momentum here. So it's basically like a Larson looper, but on its side, so. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Oh, we're almost upside down now. Alright, we're going over this hill. Gonna complete the figure 8 here and go upside down. Woo! Alright. Maybe get some air time here. A little bit. Wow. Here we go again, upside down. Oh, we're going faster. Wow. This is so interesting. Alright. Wow. Alright, another 0G roll here. And we're slowing down. And yeah, wow, that was really fun. This was Tidal Twister here at SeaWorld San Diego. You guys come check it out. It opens on the 24th. And make sure you guys follow my channel, subscribe, and check out my other videos, and follow me on social media, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
You can now join and become a member of AttractionSpot and be a part of the AS fam. All you have to do is head over to our YouTube channel and click join. Then you can become a member and get exclusive perks, such as a custom badge and comments and live chat that gets more exclusive the longer you have your membership, from 1 month all the way to 2 years. Early access to our new videos, exclusive community tab posts, be a featured member on our videos, and custom emojis. All you have to do is click join. The monthly subscription amount may be different depending on which country you live in, and some countries may currently not offer it. Fill out the payment information, click buy, and that's it. You're now part of the AS fam.